The front squat. With the bar positioned at approximately armpit height on the shoulder-high rack stand, move toward the bar and position the front of the shoulders and the hips and feet directly under the bar. Grasp the bar using one of the following hand-arm positions. For the parallel arm grip, grasp the bar evenly with a closed and pronated grip, slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Place the bar on top of the anterior deltoids or clavicles. Raise the elbows to lift the upper arms to parallel to the floor. The wrists should be hyperextended and the elbows fully flexed. For the crossed arm grip, flex the elbows and cross the forearms in front of the chest. Move the body to position the bar evenly on the anterior deltoids. Place the hands on top of the bar and use pressure from the fingers to keep it in position. Move the arms upward to a position parallel to the floor. Note that this is an open grip. The thumbs will not be able to encircle the bar because the shoulders will be in the way. The remainder of this exercise will be shown using the parallel arm grip. Signal the spotters for assistance and extend the hips and knees to lift the bar off the rack and take a step backward. Position the feet between hip and shoulder width apart with the toes pointed slightly outward so the knees track directly over the feet. Stand with an erect torso by positioning the shoulders back, tilting the head slightly back, and protruding the chest up and out to create a neutral or slightly arched back. All repetitions begin from this position. Begin the exercise by flexing the hips and knees slowly and under control. Maintain a neutral or slightly arched back and rigid arm position. Do not round the upper back or lean forward as the bar is lowered. Focus the eyes ahead and slightly above horizontal and tilt the head back slightly. Keep the body's weight over the middle and heel area of the feet. Do not allow the heels to rise off the floor during the descent. As the knees flex, keep them aligned over the feet. Continue the downward movement until one of these three events occurs. The thighs are parallel to the floor, the torso begins to round or flex forward, or the heels rise off the floor. Actual squat depth is dependent on lower body joint flexibility. Keep the body tight and in control. Do not bounce or relax the legs or torso at the bottom of the movement. Raise the bar under control by extending the hips and knees. Maintain a neutral or slightly arched back and rigid arm position. As the bar is raised, resist the tendency to lean forward by keeping the head tilted slightly back and the chest held up and out. Move the bar upward by pushing up through the whole foot with the body's weight evenly distributed between the heel and midfoot to keep each foot in contact with the floor and the hips under the bar. Do not allow the body's weight to shift forward onto the balls of the feet. Keep the knees aligned over the feet. Do not allow the knees to shift inward or outward as they extend. Continue raising the bar at an even rate until the hips and knees are fully extended to return to the starting position. At the completion of the set, signal the spotters for assistance to rack the bar, but keep a grip on the bar until both ends are secure and motionless on the supporting pins or ledge. This is the parallel arm front squat shown at normal speed. This video clip shows 3 common errors in performing this exercise. The lifter holds the bar improperly with the forearms perpendicular to the floor. The upper arms should be parallel to the floor to hold the bar in the correct location. Also, the lifter allows the heels to rise off the floor during the downward movement phase. The heels should remain in contact with the floor during the exercise. The third error occurs when the spotters use an underhand grip during the exercise. The spotters should use a grip with the thumbs crossed and palms facing the barbell throughout the exercise.